Alright, here is a Firestone. This is a model 4A234. It's from the early 60s. This is an Arvin built set. It's basically an Arvin set with the Firestone name on it. So they sold this in Firestone tire stores back in the 60s. So anyway, this one had a simple little problem. I just figured I'd make a quick video about it, and hopefully it ends up just being a simple problem. Let's see, I'll plug it in and we'll demonstrate. Alright, well, we all know what that is. It sounds like some signals are coming in on both AM and FM. That's FM. So you can hear signals coming in there. We got AM. Alright, that seems simple enough, so I've already taken the back off of it, so let's dive in and see what all we're in for. This turn the set around. This set really don't have any paper caps. It's pretty much all disc, so that's pretty much a dead giveaway. It's a late production tube radio anyway. That and all these small miniature tubes, and of course tubes on a circuit board, which is really not a good idea in my opinion. You better tube sets for the point to point, but anyway, that's just, you know, that's just my opinion. So anyway, let's get into this and change out this, or I'm gonna pull this off and we'll put some radial leaded caps on there and for filters and see what happens. Alright, so I got this out. This is a can that was in there, and it's 70 50 50. So let's see, 150. Yes, pretty much all gonna be 150. So anyway, there it goes in the floor. So ground, the 70, 50 and 50. This is a 70, 50 and 50 in ground, so this should be pretty straightforward. Alright, so there it is. It's not pretty, but that's the best I can do with the parts I've got. It's the 70, I had to use a 47 and a 22 together to get the 70, so that should be alright. And then the other two are just 247s microfarads. So that's the best I could do. I had that big 80 that I could have used, but it's a radial and it would have been worse fitting than this, so we just went with this. Alright, so we're back together and we're working.
Shortly after the authorities. While
on AM.
Still not been released yet, police did mention all three of the victims were adults. The road will be closed several hours as the investigations continue. Your best detour, if you do need the road, is Butler Warren Road to either Liberty Way or Tylersville Pike. Now the latest traffic and weather together. We do have a crash on I-75 northbound heading towards State Route 63. It will be after...
That's WLW in Cincinnati. I'm in South Carolina, so pretty good pickup there.
Are you concerned about the possibility of mold in your home? Don't worry, Appalachian Restoration is now offering a free mold test. Our team...
Pull off, baby. supposed to be trying to make protein more deliverable, right? And we're kind of upstream, we're making and he was swept away.
The Associated Press says talks with Israel have broken down. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says the war in Gaza will go on.
If Israel is forced to stand alone, Israel will stand alone. But we know we're not alone, because countless decent people around the world support our just cause.
Michael on Biden's position. Former President Donald Trump also took aim, saying on Truth Social that President Biden, quote, doesn't know what to do. Trump's critique comes as speculation grows over who he'll pick as a running mate.
People with this unity.
But how does our body relate to the image of God? Are we
It's a great bill, and I look forward to voting for it.
But sorry, just to clarify, you agree with
Eastern U.
you saying that it's wrong to equate criticism of the
Sounds
Israeli
like
government with
New York.
anti-Semitism?
This is the saying, and saying that's just not true. Hurt in a wreck? Be cautious of which personal injury firm you hire. Look for a law firm with a proven track record of results, like Lerner and Rowe. We've collected billions of dollars for over 150,000 injured people.
Other lawyers for you called
22 multi-state settlements. Jonathan Faust managing attorney.
All right, let's go to FM.
Home Depot. Get more done. See HomeDepot.com. Almighty 98 point. Never you get gas.
I'm Dr. Romney, back with season 2 of my podcast now.
classic rock the way it was meant to be.
Family memories. Bound book.
Hold on, I'm not. With no down payment, no closing costs, no fees, a below-market fixed rate, with no perfect credit needed. It's all happening on Saturday, May 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
It sounds like it's working to me, so we'll call that another win. I mean, that was an easy repair, but yeah, I don't know. It's quick and easy. Hadn't put up anything in a while, so I just figured I'd, just take a shot at this and see if I could get it going again. It's been sitting on the shelf over here, and to be honest with you, I forgot about it until I saw it. I said, well, let's check it out and see if we can get it going again. It just needs filter caps. So anyway, thank y'all for watching, and sorry it's been so long, but I stay busy all the time. I have not had a chance to get out here in the shop and work on radio, so hopefully we can break that cycle somewhat soon. So anyway, thank y'all for watching, and see you later.